here in the WBC belt, always Layla. Every woman championship belt had Layla lead. And now here around, I asked Layla to please. As I was saying, every WBC woman belt has Layla lead. Every man belt has Muhammad Ali. This is World Championship belt, which Layla is presenting to the new champ. Yeah. So here in the WBC belt,